I am really pleased to share with you an update on LinkedIn that I'm pretty sure a lot of you will all have been waiting for, and that is the ability to schedule posts. Drum roll. So the thing about this new feature, if you're wondering why it's such an exciting and important release, is that a lot of the tools that you would use to schedule posts in the past, such as Buffer, HubSpot, Hootsuite, and things like that, you can schedule posts on LinkedIn, but you are limited. So you can't tag people, you can't tag company pages, you can't upload native video, and you can't upload documents in the form of like PDF carousels, and they're quite limited. So if you have a regular video that you share every week, then this can be quite challenging. So this new feature on LinkedIn makes it super easy for you, and you can now do all of this, which is great news. So how does it work? Okay, you just basically go and start your post as you would do normally. So say, for example, I want to add a document. I'm going to choose the file and I'm just going to update that. So this is just in terms of a document post. So you can just sort of flick through that, and you want to add a document title to that as well. So I'm going to share the Curious Marketing Club schedule because there's lots of exciting events going on in the Curious Marketing Club, and then I want to say lots of exciting events in, and I want to tag in the club because the club has its own page. So I put the Curious B2B Marketing Club coming up, including our monthly Q&A session on Wednesday at 2 o'clock. Shameless plug there for you. Wednesday at 2 o'clock. If you do have anything that you want feedback on in terms of your marketing, then it's a great resource for you to come and get that feedback or ask a question. So I just want to do that as well. And I might want to say, tag in one of our members as well. So Simon, I'm just going to show you up here. So Simon Raybould has already got his question in all about scheduling posts on LinkedIn. Okay, so you might be like, right, okay, so what it is that I can do here? And you'll notice that there is a little clock symbol down at the bottom here. Click that, and then you can basically choose when you want to schedule the post. So let's say, for example, I want to schedule it on the 7th at 7:30 in the morning. I can view other scheduled posts as well, but I haven't got any, so I'm just going to go back. But it's just quite useful to help you keep track of what's going on as well. So I can click next, and then it reminds me of when I've scheduled it. You'll see the little globe sign. That means I've scheduled it for the attention of everybody. So you can see at the top. So if I just wanted to share it with my network and people on Twitter, if I just wanted to share it with my connections only, then I have the ability to do that, or the ability to share it in a specific group. So that's just something to be aware of. And then you just hit schedule and ta-da! I mean, this is just a false post at the moment, so I'm not actually going to hit schedule, but that's how you do it. So this will make life a lot easier, especially as we're coming up to the festive period and a lot of people are taking holidays and breaks. So if you have content that you do want to share over the break and you don't want to be at your desk uploading it directly, then this is how you do it. Okay, hope this has been useful. If you do have any other questions about LinkedIn or marketing, then the Curious Marketing Club is a brilliant resource, so I encourage you to go and check that out, or just send me a message on LinkedIn and ask the question anyway. Have a wonderful rest of your week, and hopefully catch up with you soon. Ciao for now.